Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on the SEAT Alhambra 2.0 TDI SE Lux DSG. This vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in pure white gloss. To start off with, then you have your twin halogen headlights, which are good for helping to illuminate the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 17-inch 5-split-spoke alloy wheels with a silver finish, really complementing the pure white gloss exterior colour. You have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire for any journey. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can now find your boot space and can see this car does in fact have a 7-seat configuration, allowing you to carry up to 2 extra passengers. Along the side of the vehicle again now you can find the electric rear sliding doors, making it even easier to enter the vehicle. You can also find the black leather upholstery, and the rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings. Moving to the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system. Once again you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. The driver's seat is electronically adjustable, allowing you to find a comfortable position, and once you've found this position you are able to save it, as it is a memory seat as well. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have buttons for your information panel, volume controls and your hands-free options, and of course you have your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 61,715 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what, along with the navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet the safest route possible to those new destinations. And of course you also have a rear view camera with front and rear parking sensors, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. You also have a dual zone climate control, where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and airflow direction, and as well as this the front seats are also heated, which is a luxury to have. This has been a presentation on the SEAT Alhambra 2.0 TDI SE Lux DSG that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact our sales team.